In this video, I will show you how to set up failover options with your VoIP.ms account. First, log into the customer portal. Head over to the DID numbers menu and click on the Manage DIDs. Assuming you already have numbers with VoIP.ms, click on the pencil icon to edit the DID number of your choice. Then click on the Show Failover Options button. Three options will appear: routing in case the destination is busy, unreachable, or if there is no answer. You can then select the failover that you want to apply for those specific cases in which someone tries to call you and you cannot pick up. Let's look at the options one by one. First, the Routing If Busy tab. This is a common failover option where you could, for example, send the caller to your voicemail whenever you are already on a call. You could also select any other destinations that fit your needs. In a business environment, you could send the caller into a calling queue, for instance. For the purpose of the video, I will simply configure it to my personal voicemail. Second, the Routing If Unreachable tab. This failover option is for scenarios like if you had a power outage. You'll be able to route callers to a destination that fits your needs, like a call forwarding, a different digital receptionist, or a voicemail. I will send it to my cell phone through a call forwarding since I am editing my direct contact number. If you don't have a call forwarding already in place with VoIP.ms, check out the link in the description box below. Finally, the Routing If No Answer tab. This is the most common failover option, which if for any reason you won't be able to answer the call due to the time or simply that you were away from your phone, you can reroute calls to your mobile phone or simply to your voicemail. In a business setting, you would probably benefit from a mix of features with a time condition that if time matches, it will send the caller back to your main digital receptionist menu, or after hours, have calls sent to a general voicemail, for instance. For this scenario, I will simply send it to my voicemail. If you would like to learn more about VoIP.ms time condition feature, check out the link in the description box below. Once you've selected your failover options, head down the page and click on the button Apply Changes to save. Back to the Manage DIDs section. You will now see a new icon next to the routing settings of your DID. You can also mouse over the green arrow to review the current settings for each failover option. And this is how you can set up different failover options with your VoIP.ms account. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks!